In this video, we'll have a brief introduction to tense forms in English. As you may already know, there are 16 tense forms in English. Now, when it comes to tenses, there are actually only 4. These are present, past, future, future in the past. Each of these tenses, however, has 4 different forms, and these are indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Together, they make 16 tense forms in English. In this video, we'll go through different verb formulas used to make each of these different tense forms. In the future videos, however, we'll go through these different tense forms in a more detailed way. Now, the formula for indefinite tense forms for present indefinite would be verb or verb s. For past indefinite, it would be verb ed or irregular past form of verb. For future indefinite, shall or will followed by a verb. For future in the past indefinite, should or would followed by a verb. When it comes to continuous tense forms, the main formula is to be followed by a verb ing. For present continuous, it would be am, is, are followed by verb ing. For past continuous, was verb ing. For future in continuous, shall be or will be verb ing. For future in the past continuous, should be or would be verb ing. When it comes to perfect tenses, the main formula is have followed by the third form of verb. Now, for present perfect, it would be have or has, verb in the third form. For past perfect, had, verb in the third form. For future perfect, shall or will have, verb in the third form. For future in the past perfect, should or would have, verb in the third form. Lastly, perfect continuous tense form is made basically by combining continuous and perfect tense forms. Now, for present perfect continuous, the formula would be have or has, been, verb ing. For past perfect continuous, had, been, verb ing. For future perfect continuous, shall or will have, been, verb ing. For future in the past perfect continuous, should or would have been, verb ing.